Have you ever wondered how a handcrafted wooden table is made? Today, we'll take a journey to explore the intricate process behind transforming raw wood into a beautiful piece of furniture through the hands of skilled craftsmen. First, the craftsman carefully selects solid wood pieces with beautiful grain patterns. Then, using a planer, they smooth and flatten the wood surface. This step requires precision to ensure the table achieves the highest level of aesthetics. Next, wood is cut using a saw. Every precise cut is a testament to the craftsman's expertise. The cut pieces are then pressed together tightly using a wood press, creating a solid and flawless structure. Finally, a smooth coat of finish is applied to the table, protecting it and enhancing the natural beauty of the wood, adding elegance and sophistication to the final product. And just like that, crafting journey is complete. This wooden table is more than just a piece of furniture. It's a work of art, embodying the passion and skill of the artisans.